Hello. I hope you're doing well. I'm Navid, and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another beautiful chrome text effect. Something like with high quality and high resolution, like 4,500 to 3,000 pixel and 300 resolution that you can use like almost anywhere. And look at the details. I'm a big fan of Chrome text effects, and I personally love it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply this to your logo or your text effortlessly. Okay, right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. Great. In the new window, double click on H text effects. Don't worry about the fonts. All the time, all of the fonts are presented to you in a separate folder. They're free and you can use them anywhere. Okay, and now double click on the text and type your own text. Okay, fashion. Next text layer here will be 2021, right? Okay, and you can have this like as two fonts, or you follow the example. I think it's good, but let's close it and select yes. All right, there it is. This is beautiful. Beautiful applied to our text without like doing a lot of things. It took us like almost 1 minute. I think it's beautiful. Uh, our designers like did a great job designing this. Okay, in the other folders, we got lines, these two lines at the bottom of the top of our design. It's not really necessary, actually. You could just disable it. Next one is a style that contains the structure of our design. I recommend you to skip this one. Next one is two light colors at the bottom of our design that you can, from layer style and select cleverly, you can give it any color you want. Okay. And so let me show you how you can apply this to a logo and how beautiful will that be. Okay, from the content window, and in this window, now import your logo here. Okay, let's import Lex's logo and position it in the middle and disable it, or remove the other layers, position in the middle. Okay, I can resize it, but I prefer it to be this size. Okay, don't make this too large. This is gonna like this might get distorted a little bit. Okay, this is the result. You can see beautiful metal and chrome look here. Look at the details, and this is super realistic standard chrome. You can have this as transparent, disable lines, lights, and background layers and folders, and you can get sharp, beautiful chrome logo. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net right now and get a premium account and download this. If you're subscribed, please like this video. If you're not, please subscribe to our channel right now and click on the bell so you don't miss the new videos. And well, thanks for watching this. This is Navid, and this is Hyperpix.